Today we are going to start a very interesting chapter, metal and non-metal. It is important for standard 8 and for standard 10 CBSE ICSE both. So let us find out what we are going to learn in this chapter. So number 1, we are in this chapter we are going to talk about metal and non-metal. So what is the source of metal and non-metal? Obviously we will talk about mineral and ores. What is the difference between metal and non-metal? So we will differentiate on the basis of their properties. So we will talk about the properties of metal and non-metal. Number 3, we will talk about the chemical reactions of metal and non-metal. Number 4, we will explain corrosion and how it can be prevented. And in the last, number 5, we will talk about use of metal and non-metal in our daily life. So let us start this video. मैं किरण सिन्हा मैम और आप सभी का बहुत 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 स्वागत है इंटेंसिव ट्यूटोरियल में। आप लोग चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं किया है तो, ताकि आपको मेरे सारे वीडियोस टाइम पर आपको मिलते रहे। सो इस वीडियो में ज़्यादा नहीं, इस वीडियो में हम लोग सिर्फ बात करने वाले हैं मिनरल्स एंड ओर्स के बारे में, ठीक है। सो धीरे धीरे इसको हम लोग आगे बढ़ाएंगे और पार्ट बाय पार्ट में आपको वीडियोस मिलेगा। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं इस पार्ट में। सिंस इन दिस चैप्टर वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट मेटल एंड नॉन मेटल, so before entering in the chapter I will give you some basic ideas about the element. So let us start from the element. If I ask you what is element, ठीक है, तो बच्चे ये बात को बहुत अच्छे से समझना होगा कि whatever the substances are present, it may be pure or impure. Got it? So pure substance is made up of only one kind of particles. Got it? So pure substances may be element or it may be compound. So we will talk about element. What is element? So element is pure substance. It is made up of only one kind of atoms. Elements are made up of atoms and only one kind of atoms are present or constitute the element. Further, elements are classified into different category like metal, non-metal, metalloid and noble element. So you can say कि elements are pure substances. It is made up of only one kind of atoms and it is classified into 4 groups: metal, non-metal, metalloid and noble element. And since elements are made up of atoms, so elements are represented by symbol. So short form of element is called symbol. So if I ask you name few metals or name few non-metals or name few metalloid, so let us see what are metal, what are non-metal, what are metalloids, what are noble gases. So let us see. So I am taking few examples of different type of elements. So first, following are the examples of metal with their symbol. As for example, sodium, the symbol is Na. Potassium, symbol is K. Calcium, symbol is Ca. Magnesium, Mg. Aluminium, Al. Zinc, Zn. Copper, Cu. Iron, Fe. Gold, Au. Silver, Ag. Platinum, Pt. Lead, Pb. Mercury, Hg. These all are the name of metal. Let us see name of few non-metals and their symbol. So following are the name and symbol of the few non-metals. Carbon, symbol is C. Nitrogen, symbol is N. Oxygen, symbol is O. Fluorine, symbol is F. Phosphorus, symbol is P. Sulfur, symbol is S. Chlorine, Cl. hydrogen H, bromine Br. So these are the name of non-metals. Let us find out name of the noble element and their symbol. So following are the name of the noble element with symbol, as for example helium He, neon Ne, argon Ar, krypton Kr, xenon Xe, radon Rn. These are the noble element which do not react with any other element. The fourth category of the element is metalloid, है ना. तो so metalloid also known as semi metal and elements containing the properties of similar and midway between metal and non-metal. So metalloid are the element which property resembles with metal एंड नॉन मेटल. उनका प्रॉपर्टी मेटल और नॉन मेटल के बीच में होता है, यानी ये एलिमेंट ना तो कम्प्लीटली मेटल हैं और ना ही ये एलिमेंट कम्प्लीटली नॉन मेटल हैं. सो लेट अस सी व्हाट आर दोज एलिमेंट. सो एग्जांपल ऑफ मेटलॉइड इज बोरोन बी, सिलिकॉन सिंबल इज Si, जर्मेनियम सिंबल इज Ge, आर्सेनिक symbol is As, antimony symbol is Sb, tellurium symbol is Te, polonium symbol is Po. So these are the four categories of the element. Elements are divided in these four categories: metal, non-metal, metalloid and rare, or you can say noble element. Got it? If we talk about the occurrence of element, element may occur in free state as well as in combined state. So elements that occur in free state means they do not combine with any other element in the earth crust, means naturally they are present in elementary form only in nature. As for example, noble element like helium, neon, argon, krypton, radon, these are the element which is present in free state. In the gaseous state they are present and they are present in free state. Few metals are also present in free state in the nature, as for example gold, silver, platinum. These are the least reactive element and they are present in free state. They occur in elementary form. But most of the elements occur in combined state, that is they are present in the form of compound. So naturally occurring compound of element present in the earth crust is called mineral. जो compound या जो element नेचुरल रूप से कंबाइंड फॉर्म में अर्थ क्रस्ट में पाया जाता है नेचुरल रूप से, तो नेचुरल अकरिंग कंपाउंड ऑफ द एलिमेंट is called mineral. Got it? So mineral have fixed chemical formula and composition, so they are represented by chemical formula. So every mineral have a chemical formula because they have fixed chemical composition. Got it? And minerals are often found on rocks because they are present in the earth crust. These rocks are mined and the useful element required are extracted from these minerals. So minerals are the chemical compound of the element, natural chemical compound of the element which is present in the earth crust in the form of rock, and these rocks are mined and the useful elements are extracted from these minerals. So minerals from which the elements are extracted profitably and conveniently is called ore. So minerals, an element present in the form of minerals and minerals from which the metals are extracted is called ore. So you should keep it in your mind that all the ores are minerals but all the minerals are not the ore. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. किसी भी एलिमेंट का 3, 4, 5 यानी कि मोर देन 1 मिनरल्स हो सकता है, लेकिन हम लोग सभी मिनरल्स से मेटल को नहीं निकाल सकते हैं। हम लोग उस मिनरल में से जिसको सिलेक्ट करेंगे कि इससे हम मेटल को प्रॉफिटेबली एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, कन्वीनियंटली एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, तो उस सेलेक्टेड मिनरल को ओर कहा जाता है। गॉट इट? लेट अस सी few examples of ore. The first example I am taking bauxite. Bauxite is ore of aluminium and its chemical formula is Al2O3.2H2O. Because minerals have fixed chemical composition, so they have chemical formula. Every ore or mineral have its own chemical formula. So aluminium is a metal and it is extracted from bauxite, which is the natural occurring compound present in the earth crust and from which aluminium is extracted. So bauxite is ore of aluminium and its formula is Al2O3.2H2O. In the same way, hematite is the ore of iron and its chemical formula is Fe2O3, ferric oxide. Another ore of iron is magnetite. Its chemical formula is Fe3O4, ferric oxide. Got it? One more example of the ore we can take of iron. So one more ore of iron is iron pyrite. Its formula is FeS2. Ore of mercury is cinnabar. Its formula is HgS. So mercury is extracted from cinnabar. It is a very useful metal. You can see this metal in the thermometer that we are using to measure the fever or body temperature of our body. Galena, it is the ore of lead. Its chemical formula is PbS. Dolomite is the ore of aluminium and its formula is CaCO3.MgCO3, magnesium carbonate. In next video, part 2, we will discuss about properties of metal and non-metal, so that we will be able to distinguish between metal and non-metal.